Hello and welcome everybody to the Cosplay Kid. So before I start this video, I just want to say sorry for the lack of uploads. I haven't uploaded in 2 or 3 months. I'm just sorry, but so in today's video, basically I've been really busy. But in today's video, I'm going to be opening something from the Noble Collection, and this is kind of a debut for the channel because I've never opened this type of stuff or made this type of stuff on this channel before. So the new movie Fantastic Beasts and the Crimes of Grindelwald came out a little while ago in cinemas, and I decided to get a wand from Fantastic Beasts and a wand, I don't know which way around it is, and a wand from Harry Potter. So I'm not going to tell you whose wand they are yet. I've covered my address up because I don't want you seeing my address. But oh damn, I should have bought scissors. I should have bought scissors. Okay, so oh hang on, I found some scissors. They are the tiniest scissors ever. They will do. But super excited. I'm waiting for this for quite a while now to make this video. I'm going to cut the boxes. Okay. Sorry about that. So we do have, sorry about this bad camera angle and the shadows on the wall. Okay, so we do have a wand, and then we also have another wand. So the packaging done. Right, okay, we've got focus back on. So these are some wands. I'm not sure which wand is which. I'm gonna open the larger one first because I think I know. Oh, it's got a rip in. Got a lip. Yeah. Okay, I was right. So this wand here is Newt Scamander's wand. So the main character in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, and Fantastic Beasts and the Crimes of Grindelwald. So yeah, so it does come in like this Ollivander's box, and it's like a gold outline, and it says Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them in gold, and like a with turquoise like blue colour. And then on the back it just says Fantastic Beasts, Newt Scamander, and all the licensing. I can't say the word, oh well. But if we just get straight into it, I thought there'd be a certificate of authenticity. I can't pronounce my words today. Maybe there isn't any in the Fantastic Beasts one boxes. Oh, and it's like got this nice starry design. It feels kind of light, but there is a wand in there. It's like this black mesh. I don't like this mesh. And it's like this velvet, but it's not that soft. I thought it was, in the videos I've seen of Harry Potter ones and Fantastic Beasts ones, they look softer than this. Sorry about the really bad lighting. Normally if I don't have this light on, it would be like that. But I have no lamp, so sorry about that. But if we get the wand out, so this is Newt Scamander's wand. It is like a nice blue, that's not blue, Daniel. A nice kind of light brown, and then it goes into a blue right there. It goes into this nice dark brown, like bark almost, and then you get this silver mother of pearl. And it's actually very light. I was expecting it to be much heavier than this. Very light, very nice to hold, but it is fragile as it says on these boxes here. So that's quite nice. Authenticity. I can't say the blooming word. Okay, right, put that one over there. So, this guy, this wand, I just told you it's a guy, and it's from Harry Potter. You can probably, if you're a Harry Potter fan, you can probably tell us whose wand it is from just the box. So here it is. It's quite a different design to the Newt Scamander one. It's like yellow. I'm not sure if I like the yellow on this, especially for the... I'm going to tell you the character's name. It's Draco Malfoy, one of my favourite characters in Harry Potter. And I'm not sure that yellow kind of suits his personality. I thought it would be a dark colour. But yeah, so it's a little bit of like that. It's got like a little scratch or something. But we've got the Ollivanders labels. And then as we open this off, open the lid off, we do get the Harry Potter or fantasy like certificate thing. So it does say, I'm not sure if I can get to focus. It says this document certifies that the enclosed wand is an authentic replica from their Warner Bros. Pictures Harry Potter film series. Please enjoy the unique offering from the Noble collection. So that's nice. That we get a little certificate of authenticity, and then you get the one. The worst lighting is in here, so it's like you can't even see the wand in the thing. But when you actually have good lighting, the wand in the thing actually looked way thinner than real life. I got told that. So here's the wand, and I know it's kind of plain and it's quite sturdy. This one's heavier than I thought it would be actually. So that one's lighter than I thought it would be, and this one's heavier than I thought it would be. And it is like a nice. I think these are made out of resin. I think they're made out of resin. And I like the design of this one because it's nice and plain. It's like Ollivander's wand because it's in the Ollivander's wand box. So on this you get a black handle with this like weird pointy tip, and then you can't really see because the lighting is the worst here. But this is like a mix of a brown and a black. So it's like a mix of them, and it's just a brown, no dents, no scratches. It's just a normal wand, and it's very nice. And just yeah, I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and a thumbs up, and click that notification bell button to get notified every time I make a video. And yeah, if you have any questions about these wands or anything else, please do comment down below because I'll be happy to answer them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I just said that. Bye!